Hello and welcome to an English Learner. In this video, we are going to learn the modal verb should and shouldn't, how to use them and make sentences. So subscribe and let's get started. A modal verb should and its negative form shouldn't is used to describe present recommendation, advice, ideal or desired situation. Andrea says, I should make notes quickly and I shouldn't miss anything because she knows it's important for her work. Andrea should do everything quickly to cope with work. It's ideal situation. Making a sentence with should, we begin with subject, then should, and the verb. Andrea should be polite to her boss. She should try hard. You should brush your teeth twice a day. You should eat fresh fruit and vegetables. Shouldn't, it's a contraction from should not. We use it to make a sentence negative. Look at the sentences. Andrea shouldn't work overtime. Andrea should not work overtime. These sentences are equal. To make a recommendation with shouldn't, we begin with subject, then shouldn't, and the verb. Andrea shouldn't skip lunch. She shouldn't drink much coffee. Children shouldn't go to bed late. You shouldn't eat fast food. To ask a question, we begin with should, then subject and the verb. Should Andrea rest in the evening? Should she go out at the weekend? Should children drink milk? Yes, they should. Should you eat much chocolate? No, we shouldn't. Should and shouldn't are also necessary to talk about past regret, sorrow, or criticism. Andrea said, I shouldn't have worked overtime, which means she regrets that she worked overtime. I should have rested from work. It's also regret. Andrea shouldn't have done so much because she got very tired. Criticism. To complete an affirmative sentence with should describing past sorrow or regret, we start with subject, then should, have, and the verb in past participle. If the verb is regular, we add ed, like worked, lived, stayed. If the verb is irregular, we need the third column of irregular verbs, like been, gone, had, etc. Andrea should have planned her working day carefully to find time for rest. Andrea should have gone out with friends to relax. I should have left home earlier not to miss the bus. You should have done your homework yesterday. When we complete a negative sentence, to express past sorrows and regrets, we start with a subject, then shouldn't, have, and past participle. A verb with ed if it's regular, and third column of irregular verbs. Andrea shouldn't have worked so much because she was exhausted. Andrea shouldn't have spent so much time working. I shouldn't have drunk so much coffee because I had a sleepless night. You shouldn't have eaten so many cakes because you are unwell now. What about you? What should you learn? Write in comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Learn English.